before this video starts, I just want to let you guys know that my laptop is running really low on memory, so I did lose a few clips. I did get a 3 terabyte hard drive, so that's good. So I won't have any more problems now, but I did delete one of Taylor's sick trick shots. He threw a ball one hand really far and made it, so show him some love in the comments. But as for the rest of the video, we do have most of it, so hope you guys enjoy.
Hey guys, Peller Sport here. Taylor, Justin, got Luke over there. Mike's down the street. We are starting our vlog right now, and we're gonna start off with a trick shot. Okay, here we go. Back from the dead.
Shout out to Mike for shagging all those balls.
Got him, boys.
Whoa, what was that? I thought guns were illegal in Canada. Alright guys, so it's like 6:30. We're gonna head to Springbank. Yeah, it's gonna be a good night. Hold on, we got...
YouTube link in the description. They see me rolling, they hate it. They see me rolling, they hate it. Hey guys, we go down to Springbank, and to warm up, we're gonna play a game of Bri. So basically, you start at a certain point, and you gotta land the Bri, and as you get closer, the tricks become harder. You just gotta do the same trick, but closer up. So if you fall, you're out of the game.
So tell you one that we're gonna get some clips for you guys. We're also gonna get some clips for our progression notes. So yeah, stay tuned, because that's what I always say. Stay tuned for more.
Have an extravagant day.
Thanks, man. Holy cow.
Is that a late bar?
Maybe.
You almost died.
I was going to happen.
Oh, first.
So me and Tay, we switched tuners. We're gonna get some street with our park setups.
No, you did not just do that. Oh my god. Was that a Feeble or Smith? Comment in the description.
No! What? Alright, stop. Oh, he's getting all street on me.
I don't think that was street, that was more park.
Yo.
No, put that
Yeah.
Roll it.
Alright. That's not it.
As we get a million dislikes. I really hope they don't land it. What did you think of that?
10 out of 10.
I think it was more like 1.5.
We're still going.
That's what you guys were excited about? Keep going. Oh, okay. My turn.
Alright, keep going. Keep going 1 foot. Hey guys. As you can tell,
Am I Taylor?
we have been progressing so much. We have been sweating 24.
Really funny. You cut me out.
Yeah, I saw you.
We're ending the channel. April Fools.
Justin hates
June. We're wrapping up at the skate park, so why not have some fun? We're gonna get some yoga clips. Let's get the beats going.
Go home or die, go home, whatever.
Oh my god, that's like 55.
Bro, I can easily back you up on a scooter. Ready? Ready? Dude, that's easy.
What's he doing?
I didn't even mean to do that.
We've had some decent clips, but nothing really good so far. So like, Luke's about to send a beautiful clip. Let's see it.
It's gonna be cleaner than my butt.
No. No.
That's going in. That's going in.
Okay, this is gonna be cleaner than my counter that I wipe every day.
Oh! That was so clean. Holy.
I think that's going in my progression edit.
Yeah, probably. Who's drifting? Who's drifting? All right, so Mike went in to go take a dump in the Springbank washroom, so we're gonna go in and surprise him with some water. Oh! Open up. Ow! Open up. Let's see. Are you wet?
Yeah, I'm soaking, man.
Is that the longest people ever? Comment down below. What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
I need some insoles for my.
What are you?
No,
what are
I
you
wasn't
looking
looking.
at?
I wasn't. No, I was.
I saw you.
No.
You were looking right at
No,
the pregnancy
sunscreen.
test.
No,
I saw you, man, and you were pointing at it too. Like, what's going on?
no,
man?
like they renovating the store, so I'm not really sure.
No.
familiar with-
I literally just saw
No,
you, man.
I don't know. No.
Jeez.
So if you guys are wondering what kind of shampoo I use for my hair, I actually like Head and Shoulders conditioner that really brings out the curls and less frizziness. But I also like Axe, you know, the girls, you know, I don't know what that's right. But yeah, that's about it.
Put my scooter in the thing.
Yo, cinematics right now. Keep going.
Dude, you left the cord out. I gotta find the one. The one.
So we're in the pet store right now.
I think I found it.
You got it?
No. I'm a pet ferret. Maverick likes these, but not today.
Oh, there's your food, Luke.
Hello, little kitty. Hello. No, no. Hello. How are you? Hello, bing, bing. It's my local cat. I can't do this futuristic stuff.
Damn, I wish I had one of these.
Dude, that's where I sleep, bro.
Oh, no way. Alright guys, so we just hit up our local grocery store and pet store. Now we're gonna head to Max and go get some slushies. Stop. Stop. Luke was hitting my front brake. Alright, so we're gonna get slushies, then go back to our house. Okay, okay. No. No, no, no. No, God, please, no. 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 No.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
No.
$2?
Oh my God.
$2.25.
We biked like 2 minutes to get here. Alright guys, so I'm outside and I'm not sure if you can see through there, but Mike and Luke and Taylor are all paying and they have taken like 5 minutes and all these people in line look very, very unpleased. Okay, here they finally come. There he is. Alright guys, Mike's gonna do the water bottle challenge. Comment down below how fast you can drink a 591 milliliter water bottle. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go! Go, go, go on! Yeah!
That's not the first time you could.
Yeah, that was like, yo, that was like 2.5 seconds, right?
That wasn't the first. Three, two, one, go. Put the cap on. Cap. We're good.
Alright, boys.
Throw her.
Go.
Ah! Mate! What the frick? Guess I'm a grenade. That's right, boys. That's how you do it.
I knew that one was better.
What?
Oh!
How did that feel? Hey guys, it's the next day. Got a slushie, that's why my lips red. We're at a car show, as you can tell. Really nice. Audi R8 behind me. It's kind of hard to take me seriously with this this blue red stuff. So we're gonna be vlogging a bit today. We're gonna film some of the cars, and then me and Ty are gonna go dirt biking. So yeah.
What does it look like?
Okay. It is awesome here. Hey boys.
What's up, boys? Oh, I mean...
That engine the size of a smart car.
I rated him.
Well guys, look what we found.
Wow. There's a green card.
Why did they steal my car? Oh my God.
Like the engine bag.
So look at the start button there.
Look at that. It's got a fire extinguisher because it's too fast.
What? They got fast.
Sweet. One day, guys, one day.
So it's my ride, guys. Yamaha TTR 125. It is 2005. Pretty good shape. Bought it off a friend. So I'm gonna have to wash it up a bit because last time I went, I had no time to clean it. So before we go, I gotta clean it up. So let me stop it.
So me and Luke just met up with Tay, and we're at this really sweet dirt bike spot. So I'm gonna film him for a bit. Let's get it. They got that, but I got this, so. Dude. We were at the one spot, not sure if you can see it, but across that road right there, and we kind of got enough clips over there, so now they're coming over here to hit some jumps. This is sick, guys. This is just sick. Let's go. Yeah, my bike can go that fast. This beast. Hey guys, it is now 2 days or 3 days after the vlog. We're sitting here in my garage filming a quick outro for you guys. So we went to All In Sunday, right?
Yeah, we went to All In. We're gonna vlog that day, but we wanted to focus on progression clips. But we didn't get a lot there because I had a nasty fall on the big, huge spine, fat spine. Put it up right now. Let it play. Bam, hit my head.
Oh, that looked like it hurt.
Oh. I busted up my shoulder. I'll be out for a week. Hopefully we can get back. And yeah, that's what we did on Sunday. And do you want to talk about the vlogs weekly?
Oh yeah, so we're gonna try to make weekly vlogs now. So we made one last week, and this week we did one. So stay tuned for those.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments what you want to see more of, what you want to see less of in the videos. So
yeah, we're gonna try it. Just so you know, if we don't get 1 week, don't get mad at us. If we don't vlog 1 week.
Yeah, we're gonna try our best.
But this vlog was from 2 days.
So yeah.
Friday and Saturday.
Leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new.
Comment.
Yeah. We out.
Yep. Help the sport out.
Camels.